So my grinder is broken.
So let's open it up and try and fix it. It still spins, which is good. But the bit is stuck.
Let's get industrial with it. So this is a faucet handle and sleeve puller. I don't know what I'd otherwise use this for, so it's going to be used for this. I couldn't figure out the right way to spin it at first, but it's all good. There's like a missing minute of me fumbling around with this thing, trying to get it secured. But I finally have it in position, and now you'll see the bit's starting to slide off. The bit itself looks pretty clean, but you can see some of that rust on the grinder bit. I'm not sure if that's just old sand from the glass, but let's get it off with some steel wool. Ow. Great success! Now we'll refit the bit, close her up, and it's done.